Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Devices settings. In them, click on About Phone section and tap on Storage over here. Then scroll down, tap on Free App, choose Allow in the pop-up and wait. Then choose Clean Up one more time. And as you can see, after that, storage of my smartphone was successfully cleaned. If you wish to, you can always go into background apps instead by clicking on the square button and clicking on Cleaner at the top left corner. Then do exactly the same from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!